Welcome back on a Friday afternoon. Let's continue with the repair things, and today we do have this subwoofer, and it was booked in as a no sound. The subwoofer is turning on, but we don't have any outputting sound. That's what we have to fix. Let's power it on. Look how nice is it. Just wow. Yeah, a nice subwoofer, no? It's written Duraware model DR-231M. That's the model of this. You can see the blue is already on Bluetooth mode, and if I'm to connect, it's already connected. You can see on my phone it's already connected. And let me play any song. I do have many songs. Let me play any song. It's playing, but the subwoofer is just silent. It's dead. So that's what we have to fix. So let me unplug it to charge from power source. Let's get inside. All screws are out. We opened it already for the sake of time. So what I want to do, okay, here what do we have? We have some cockroaches, and that's the speaker, and here we have a transformer. We have a linear transformer here, nothing special. What we have after the transformer, we have the rectifier. That's our filter, 25 volts, and obvious we have a regulator. Okay, nothing special here. Let's take the connectors out. Let's take all these connectors out and concentrate on this panel. We have transformer, that's our rectifier, our filter. What do we have here? Yeah, probably that's our regulator. Yeah, that's our 5 volts regulator. You can see this output capacitor on the output, 5 volts. So that's clearly that's our 5 volts regulator. What else do we have? We have the audio amplifier. You can see. So our fault is clear. You can see this audio amplifier is blown up. This one. So obvious we can't have sound. So what we want to do is to see how we can take out that one. How we can do it. Let's take out the screws and try to take out that audio amplifier. It's blown up. The problem is I can't see the name of that amplifier. That's the problem. I can't see the exact numbers because Okay, let's see how we can replace that big chip. I was checking from my space. I think I found one of that kind. So all what we have to do, but before replacing, we need to check few things to ensure that we don't have any short. Okay, no short. Regulator, all good. Okay, so let's take out that that's the audio IC quickly. Sound chip, audio amplifier, whatever I call it. Let's take out quickly. We need to race against time because we don't have time. I will ask my assistant to switch off the fan because it's disturbing me. Of course, we have high temperatures, but fan with this soldering gun, they are not really good friends. So let's take out this chip quickly. Let's try to bring sound here if we can. Let's do it, it's not hard. Nothing hard here. This chip is already gone, so just want to take it off completely and replace with another sound IC. How hard it can be replacing such kind of chip. Let's do it. Let's do it. Our chip is just out. I'll show you. Still what you can see, our chip is blown up. That's the audio power amplifier is gone. Okay, let's fix the tracks here before we came with our new chip. Let's fix the tracks, Let's do it, Can that be hard? How I can open those tracks quickly. Let's find a trick to speed up the process. Let's find a trick, you know. Let's find a trick, you know. Okay. It's not hard. There's nothing hard here. Nothing hard at all. Nothing hard here. Well, what you have to do is to open up the tray so that when you come with the new chip, everything will be easy, you know. That's all what we have to do here. I'm opening those tracks. I think that's the big job here. So let's do it, you know. Let's do it on a Friday. Okay. Okay. Let's go on the other side. Same story. Okay. Only left with 4 holes, you know, 4 pins actually. Let's do it. I'm left with a few holes. Oh, we're done. Where's our chip? Let me look for the chip. Yeah, that's the chip that we want to put here. Let's check out quickly. On this side, I think we can use even hot air. But before I come with hot air, let's mix this old soldering wire with the new one. All good. Let's come with our hot air. Let's come with our hot air and try to take out our chip. How I can do it. A way to do this thing the easy way, you know. You just need a way. Okay, we have problem, but we'll see how we can solve that problem later after we have taken off the chip. Our chip is out. So our chip, we just took out our chip. But we have a problem. Two pins are gone from the chip. So how are we going to fix that? How are we going to fix that? Okay. Let's cool down the chip. Let's align these pins. I can't believe the pins of this chip, they are just falling apart, you know. Three broken. but I don't have another one, so whatever mess which is here, we have to find a way to do it, you know. Three pins are gone. Let's do some tricks here. Let's leave this aside. Let me come with some wires, you know. Let's fix those pins first. Because all what I want is sound. All what I want is sound. So whatever problem we have here, let's go on microscope. You can see we have a problem here. This pin, and this pin, all these three pins are gone for the reason which I don't know. Let's modify this chip first, and then we can come with our chip on position, you know. We can do it. Yes, we can. We can. I don't think I did anything that broke this chip, but for the reasons which I don't know, those pins already they are broken. Every time I want to do job quick, I just find something to delay me, you know. All the pins of this chip, they seem to be not good. Okay. Let's fix our chip, you know. After that, we can see how best we can do to put it in position. We need just a few more wires, and then after we can put our chip in position. Okay. We do have a bridge which need to be taken out. Yeah, that's what happens when you try to wrap things, you know. That's what really happened when you try to wrap things. Okay. Only left with one pin. I need to check something on the board. That's the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Maybe. We have a lot of challenges here. We do have a lot of challenges here. Pins, they are just broken for the reasons which I don't know. But let's try to put our pins in place, you know. Let's refeed our chip in position. Everything is hard here. Nothing easy. Let me finish this process with my gun. I'll be slow here because I don't want more pins to get damaged, you know. So forgive me. Because if we lose some more pins, our chip will become useless, you know. That's not a good thing. So let's do it. Let's do it the way we understand things, you know. Usually this is a less than 5 minutes job, but because the chip is messed up, we're trying by all means to align everything here. Okay, let's go pin by pin. Yeah, we're about to finish fixing this speaker the dodgy way, you know. Those are some kind of dodgy repair that we are doing here. So we left with the three pins. Okay. Okay. We don't want to cause any short there. So what I am doing here, you know those broken pins, I'm trying to put everything in order here before it's too late. We still have time to modify things, so we can do the modification, then we can test after. If our chip is not working, then we have a big problem. Okay, so that one is for pin number 1. No issues here. Let's solder our wires. Do you think this is gonna work? Who knows? Who knows? Maybe okay. Yeah, that's not actually a good day for work. We try to do simple jobs, everything will end up being complicated, you know. Fridays, they are not good work days for me for work, you know. Most of the time I'm going to weekend disappointed. I'll be thinking that I just caught the prey, but in most cases, trust me, I'm going to weekend disappointed. Our chip is now in place. Let's put all together and test. That's the transformer. Obvious, if we are going to have sound here, I'll stick everything with hot glue. But I just need to test to see if it's working. If we now have sound, you know. That's what I want to test here. Because if we still don't have sound, that will be a hard Friday for me, you know. So what I want to do, I don't want to cause any short from inside. So what I can do, I can plug it plugged in. Let's play. You can hear the sound. Our speaker is working. I can hear the sound. I can't believe the dodginess that I did in this speaker, and we still have a working speaker. Yeah, that's something else, you know. What I want to do, let's just do it the proper thing at once, you know. Let's disconnect these cables. Trust me, there was no hope here.